Hi guys, welcome to Learn Max Easily channel, and today we are going to see the continuation of the arithmetic progression video. So the next topic which we are going to see in this video is nth term of an AP. As I told you before, kindly have your textbooks with you for better reference. So they have given some stories like let us consider the situation that is given, etc., etc. Just don't bother about those stories. We will just see what's the real concept that is present behind this nth term of an AP. That's what the heading, right? So we'll just see first what's the concept present behind this, and further we will see the exercise and example problems which will makes us more deeper understanding or deeper learning of this entire topic, nth term of an arithmetic progression. So the example that they have given is they have taken the salary of a person. Okay, so say the first month salary is to be 8,000, then the average monthly income increment is 500. We'll partition this is the first month salary, this is the every month income, increment. So the second month will be 8,500, the third month will be 9,000, the fourth one will be 9,500, and it goes on. Actually, in my previous video, when we saw that common difference, we did the same thing by assuming the first value to be A and the further increment will be D, that will be 500. So which I explained you in the previous video with respect to A and D. So the same here in nth term also. By this way we get 8,000, 8,500, 9,000, 9,500, it goes on. So this will be first month, second month, third month, fourth month, and it goes on with a fixed increment of rupees 500. So okay, with this forms an AP, right? So what is related to the nth term? This is actually we saw before. What is related to the nth term is nothing but this is the first month salary, that is 8,000. So this is second month, third month, fourth month. Say for example they are asking for the 10th month. So it is easy that next will be 10,000, then 10,500, 11,000. Then it goes up to 10th month, you can easily find. Say for example if they are asking for 50th month, you cannot just keep on calculating 500, 500, 500, you cannot increase, right? So for this they are finding the there is a method or there is a formula to just calculate the 50th or 25th or whatever it may be, right? So that there is a formula that is present in the AP so that we can easily generate the value of the 25th month salary within a fraction of seconds instead of calculating this much time, right? So what is the formula, we will see now. That's the story that is given inside the page. So yeah, they have calculated for salary of 15th year, right? The fifth year has been calculated before. So 8,000 is the first year, 8,500 is the second year, 9,000 third year, 9,500 fourth year, 10,000 fifth year, and it goes on. So they have calculated for the 15th year salary. So just check it in your textbook, over here it is present. So that is nothing but salary of 14th year plus 500, and so 8,000 plus 14 into 500. So that is actually the formula which deals over here is nothing but AN. This AN is the estimated year salary. Say for example 15th year. So we need to calculate the value or the salary which you get in the 15th year. So that will be AN will be equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. The AN will be the salary which you get in the 15th year. I repeat, the AN will be the salary which you get in the 15th year, and similarly A is the first salary which you get is what be 8,000, right? So here it is 8,000, so that will be A, the first month salary. AN will be first year salary. AN will be the say for here they have asked for 15th year, so you can assume to be 20th year or 25th year, whatever it may be, your end year, right? So that will be AN. A will be the first year salary, then N is number of periods. So you are asking for 15th, right? So 15 will be the N value, 15 minus 1 will be 14 with a common difference. Common difference is nothing but the increment value of each year. This D stands for common difference. Common difference is nothing but increment value of each year. Each year they are adding 500. So this 500 will be the D value. So by substituting these values in the formula, we get the second term, third term, fourth term, like second year, fourth year, fifth year, and it goes on. So by this way, they are calculating the value like the first salary plus 25 minus 1 into annual increment, like that. So you can achieve the value of the 25th year, which you get will be 20,000. The first year which you got is 8,000. Similarly, by increasing it on the 25th year, you will be achieving 20,000 with a basic increment of rupees 500 each year, right? So that is, these are the general concept of the nth term of AP. So this formula an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is most important by solving the furthermost problems present in your exercise. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So first term is a. So for the second term, what you will do, just simply substitute the value of n to be 2. A plus 2 minus 1 is 1. So a plus d. So this is the second term. A will be the first term. A plus d will be second term. So similarly, the third term, substitute n equal to 3. So a plus 3 minus 1 is 2. 2d. A plus 3d. Then a plus 4d. It goes on. Though this will be third term. This will be fourth term. Fifth term. Similarly, it goes on up to n number of terms. Say for example, for 100th term, substitute n equal to 100. So that will be a plus 99d. The general representation of the 100th value will be a plus 99d. The 100th term present in the arithmetic progression sequence will be a plus 99d for a general representation, right? So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula for the nth term of the AP, where a is the first term and d will be the common difference present in the sequence, right? Similarly, now they have given some examples for this finding the nth term, or they have given find the 10th term or 11th term in the example sums. We will just check it out, what is there, what they are given in the question, and what they are asking us to find, and how they have solved in the textbook, right? So the first example which they are given is find the 10th term of the AP, where the sequence is 2, 7, 12, and it goes on. They are asking us the 10th term of the AP. As I told you before, the first and foremost step in AP, you need to write the first term, that is a equal to 2. Find the common difference, that is a2 minus a1, that is equal to a3 minus a2, as we said in the last previous videos. So 7 minus 2 is 5, 12 minus 7 is again 5, so the common difference is 5. Now they are asking us to find the nth term, the 10th term, so that n will be 10. They have given the reach point. So n, as I told you, n is the reach point or the dead point, right? So they have asked us to find the 10th term. So they are given the reach point to be 10. So n equal to 10. Again, which we saw the formula before, a plus n minus 1 into d will be the value, right? An is the value and a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Just merely substitute this, we get 47, right? That's what given in the example. We get 47 by substituting a, n and d in this formula. We get 47. So the 47 is the term, that is the 47 is the 10th term of this sequence. I repeat, 47 is the 10th term of this sequence. 2, 7, 12, then 17, 22, 27, 32, 42, 37, 42, and then 47 is the 10th value of this sequence which they have asked. So this is the example 1. Just understand the concept, understand the formula, remember the formula, apply it, you will get the result easily, right? If it is very easy, say for example 2, 7, 12, the common difference is only 5 and they have asked us to find only the 10th value, so we can easily, as I told you, 2, 7, 12, then 17, 22, we can just have a count, right? If you can't count that, then you need to like recheck your answer and have a guess that whether it is right or not, because we cannot just keep on adding 5 or 10 or common difference to be again and again in order to reach the end result. So just have a guess whether this is right or wrong. You can easily have a a glance of whether your steps are right or wrong. You can have a check with that, right? So the example, next we see the example 4. Which term of the AP 21, 18, 15 dot 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 is minus 81? Also, in any term 0, give reason for answer. Yes, as I told you, right? We cannot check each and every point that is given. So that's the question now they have asked. A equal to 21. Common difference is when we calculate they get minus 3, and the end result which they are asking is minus 81. They are asking it whether this comes, that is minus 81 will come in the sequence. So if so, what's the value? So we need to find the n. Okay, say for example, if they didn't ask that if so what is the value or something like that, they are asking whether it comes or not. Just you need to find the value of n. If the n value is an whole number, I repeat, if the n value is an whole number, then the number which they have told will come in the sequence. If the n value is 3 or 4 or 34, whatever it may be, if it is a whole number, then surely this minus 81 is there in the sequence. Or if you substitute and get the value in point or something else like that, then the end result that is present over here, an will not come into the sequence. It's what your answer should be. Now an we know, a we know, d we know. We need to find the value of n. So an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is what they have given. Minus 81 is the value. So upon simplifying, minus 81 equal to 24 minus 3n. So n equal to 35. So on the 35th term, right, the 35th term is minus 81 in the given AP sequence is what you have to conclude in the last. After doing this, the 35th term of the AP sequence will be minus 81. Next they have asked us is any term 0. So is any term 0 means again you need to substitute the value of an to be 0 in the same formula. So 21 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to 0, substituting an to be 0 value. So upon simplifying, n equal to 8. These are very basic, so I'm just doing like this, right? Very basic. You need to understand the concept. That's just the merely simple thing is you need to understand the concept. So the eighth term over here is 0. If you understand the concept and apply it in the right way in the formula, the same formula, there's no change in the formula. That is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into d. Sometimes they would have given the d value and a value and an value. They will ask us to find the n value as here, or they will give n a d and ask you an, or they will give n d an, they will ask you a. Just the same batter is been again and again and again. They are asking us to beat the bush, right? Beat around the bush, shame bush, right? You need to just understand what they are asking, right? Okay, now example 5. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Again, here they are given A3 to be 5, A7 to be 9. Now they are asking us to find the AP sequence, right? As I told you, now they are just beating around the bush. You need to implement your knowledge in different ways in order to get your result, right? So A3 is nothing but, as I told you, A plus 2D. Substitute in the formula, A into n minus 1 into D, A plus 2D. 5, A plus 6D, 9. Elimination method, if you do that, you get minus 4D equal to minus 4. So the D value is 1. Substitute this in the equation, you get A plus 2 equal to 5, therefore A equal to 3. A equal to 3, D equal to 1. What they are asking is determine the AP, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it goes on because the common difference value is 1. That's it. Simply it's enough, right? Now, example 6. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers that is given. So, okay. A will be A will be 5. Common difference will be 6. Now they are asking us whether 301 is a term. So AN is 301. They are asking whether n comes as an whole number, right? If n is a whole number, then the value is in the sequence, or else it's not. Again, AN equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 6. This is AN because it is given as 301, right? So instead of that, you will just put 301. So upon simplifying, we get the n value to be 151 by 3, which is not a whole number. You get point value. Therefore, this 301 is not there in the sequence of given arithmetic progression values. That's what is your conclusion to be, right? So these are again very easy problems. You need to just implement your knowledge of arithmetic progression into the concepts or into the question that is given. So how many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? So the list is 12, 15, 18, and it goes on up to two-digit numbers, so 99. You can add, but it takes time. There is a chance that you can miss any number, or there is a chance you can miss any addition count. So they are asking to find us the correct value, that is n value over here. So again implementing, this is a value, this is an value. So 99 equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. Upon substituting, simplifying this, n equal to 30. That's it. So there are 32 digit number divisible by 3. That's it. So this is the same thing. This is the same formula that has been implemented in all the example. That is example 3 to, yes, example 3 to 8. So you just carry out with the examples present. You just work it out. Example 8 up to 10th, right? Okay, 10th is a word problem. We'll just see what it is. 9th example, you just try it. If you have any doubt, text me in the comment section. I will work it out. 10th example is an word problem. We'll just see that. In a flower bed, there are 23 rose plants in the first row, 21 in the second, 19 in the third, and so on. There are 5 rose plants in the last row. How many rows are there in the flower beds? Okay, again the same thing. You need to understand the question. So that's why I am just working on with the word problem, because till now we just saw the normal problems. This is a word problem, 23, 21, 19, and it goes on. The last one is 5. This is A1, A2, A3, and the last one we need to find. A equal to 23. D is 21 minus 23. So minus 2. A2 minus A1, right? So that is an equal to 5. The last value is 5. We need to find the value of n. Merely substitute that in the formula. An equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In that formula, if you substitute, we get the n value to be 10. So there are 10 rows in the flower bed is what the answer. Why I worked out this problem is nothing but it's a word problem. Usually we just see a word problem. Oh, word problem. Okay, we just no need to do this. It's what everyone used to think, or they will think that, oh, it's very tough. We cannot do that. We need someone to help. It's not like that. So you just write what is given in the question, and accordingly you can easily guess what will be the formula that has to be implemented, right? In the exams too, you just think whether it comes under some formula or this finding the last term or the first term, nth term of the AP. Some we will just see in the next upcoming videos. You just think at that time whether which this comes under nth term of the AP or the sum. these are the two main concepts that is present in the arithmetic progression. So you'll get a clear idea on which formula we have to work it out, right? So just don't get panicked by seeing the word problems. In the next class we will see the exercise 5.2 and the upcoming sums present in the AP class 10, right? Thank you guys. Subscribe my channel for getting more videos on your YouTube, right? Thank you.